Good afternoon, folks. It's Shantae, and yours truly just landed, eagerly waiting for my Uber. At 3:50 p.m., excitement and a touch of nerves are in the air as I prepare to step into unfamiliar territory. But fear not, for it is time to build up that confidence, hit that record button, flash a dazzling smile, and embrace the wonderful, weird feeling that comes with vlogging.
Hey, Orlando, Florida. We are here at 2023 Delegates. RA, she's also here, ready to get to work.
NEA Representing. So get ready, because I'm about to take you on an adventure through my first ever delegate experience at the NEA. But hold up, what's the NEA-RA, you ask? Well, the NEA-RA stands for the National Education Association Representative Assembly. Welcome to the fabulous Rosen Plaza Hotel, where I will be spending my next 6 days. It's currently 4:45 p.m., so let's head to our rooms and take a breather before diving into the state welcome reception at 6:30. Look at this wonderful gathering. People from all corners of New Jersey have just arrived. Plenty of space to mingle, relax, and shake off that airport fatigue. They have our taste buds covered from every angle. Talk about foodie paradise. Ooh, a photo booth in the corner, complete with props and a photographer. You know I couldn't resist the urge to strike a pose. Watch and learn as I showcase my prop handling skills. Watch closely as I show you how to rock these props like a pro. Three props, three poses, nailed it like a pro. It's time for line dancing. People are mingling, munching, and having an absolute blast. The energy is contagious and the fun is off the charts. It's time to dance like nobody's watching. Gotta get those steps in and keep the energy flowing. Linda and I are repping Jersey City. We are creating memories that would make our feet ache, but our spirits soar.
Okay, so I'm leaving the party. I had fun. I'm full. Dance a little bit. Now it's time to go. Thank you.